Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm glad to have you here again. This is JAMB Biology 2017, and the question goes thus: chlorofluorocarbons are air pollutants that originate from. The chlorofluorocarbon are anthropogenic compounds that have been released into the atmosphere since 1930s in various applications such as air conditioning, refrigeration, blowing agents in foams, insulations, packing materials, and so on. Okay, so now let's go to the answer options. A. Crude oil refining? No. B. Coal mining? No. C. Motor vehicle exhaust? No. Option D. Cooling system? Exactly. So the answer option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.